Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. Alright, so we have our first transformation here. Looks like she has a bob. And the stylist is cutting the hair into a pixie. Ooh, oh, this is cute. I really like that reddish brown color that she has for this cut. This pixie also has a lot of volume. And then we hop on over to the next one, and she also decides to switch it up with an asymmetrical pixie cut. Very cute. So here we have someone with a bob. And bam, she gets like a baby mullet cut here. I would say this is a cross between a baby mullet and a shaggy pixie style. It does have a little flare there in the back. And then we move into a color transformation. So they are definitely playing around with some rainbow hues. Ooh. Really cute shaggy haircut, and the color mix is absolutely breathtaking. This is such a fun style. So here we have someone with mid-back hair, and she decides to switch it up with a bob. Cute, simple, and chic bob makeover. So here we have someone with a bob or shoulder length hair, and bam, she gets this really cute blonde pixie cut. And then we have somebody rocking out another pixie. She's got a very boy cut, short and sweet platinum pixie here. This color looks amazing on her. Definitely makes her skin glow. Then we have another color transformation. So she went silver. Very cute pixie cut here. And that color just makes the look pop even more. So here we have someone with mid-back length hair. Stylist chops the hair right off. Looks like she's getting a bob. Beautiful tousled bob style. This is another simple and chic look, perfect for the summer season. So here we have someone with hair just below their shoulders. And she gets a bob haircut and some color. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. breathtaking makeover. I feel like this is another really chic style for the summer season. So here we have someone with mid-back hair, or medium length hair. And of course, the stylist chops off the hair, hands it to her, and she gets a beautiful blunt bob. Definitely a classic with the center part down the middle, very chic. And we have another bob. This one is more of a traditional bob cut. Followed by someone who has hair just past their shoulders. Oh, and she gets a beautiful boy cut pixie style. Very cute. So here we have another bob transformation. Oh, wow. Beautiful jaw length style bob. This is really also kind of showcasing the pixie bob trend as well. Beautiful texture here. And then we move into another color transformation. Beautiful. She kind of gets like a pixie haircut here. Followed by another hair color change. So she gets a cut with this transformation as well, more of a layered bob style. Oh, her hair looks absolutely beautiful. I love the overall volume that she achieved.